uLana Perreira kanye nomndeni wakhe engathi bebehamba ngezimoto ezahlukene belibhekisa esiteshini samaphoyisa eParkview izolo ekuseni. Inhloso yabo bekukufika bavula icala lodlame lwasekhaya ngesikhathi ke kwenzeka lomshophi. uGabriel da Silva udubula unkosikazi wakhe ekhanda ngaphambi kokuziqhofoza naye.
I think that's what makes this case so tragic and so difficult, is that this woman did everything that people tell women to do. And I think it also points to the fact that in some instances there are certain cases which are not predictable, and it's quite hard to be able to prevent them.
Ongumcwaningi ngodlame lwalolu hlobo uLisa Vetten uthi lesigameko siqhamisa udlame lwasemakhaya kuleli olungakhethi ibala ngisho nezinga lempilo.
If we start looking at homicide, then the statistics also tell us that more than half of women in South Africa are killed by the men they live with, the men who supposedly are there to love and protect them.
Labashadikazi bebehlala ekhaya elisendaweni ethule yabadla izambane likaPonde Parkhurst. Kule ndawo omakhelwane abazani kanti futhi babheke zabo.
I didn't know them personally. Lana, the wife, had emailed me on a few occasions about typical municipal things, billing, water blockages, that kind of thing.
Imndeni yombili isazama ukuhlangabezana nokwenzekile base becela ukungahlushwa ngesikhathi sabo salobunzima.